Okay, dear students, so far we have seen the introduction part of the various insurance services and what is life insurance and what is non-life insurance, what are the principles of insurance, basics, characteristics, insurance recommendations, how to calculate the premium, claim settlement, those parts we have seen. Now, elaborately, we'll go with what are the different products and types of insurance available in general insurance and in life insurance also. This is fourth unit, types of general insurance in India. As you know, almost everything is insurable in India. Not only in India, worldwide. Everything is insurable. People are even insurancing for the teeth and even for the body parts. It has become that much what buzzword nowadays. So, however, general insurance in India is bifurcated as fire, engineering, marine, and miscellaneous insurances. Following are the different types of general insurances in India. We have health insurance, travel insurance, motor insurance, marine insurance, home insurance, and commercial insurance. These are the broad categories. It is not limited to these only, but I am just explaining these parts. Even there are certain companies, if digit insurance is there, it can also offer policies for mobile, bicycle insurance also, shop protection, others, even for cycle also insurance. You could not imagine this, right? So first, health insurance. I'm talking from a company perspective rather than speaking broadly. Digit insurance. Okay. So what can come under health insurance is it will cover accidental hospitalization, pre and post. Pre-accident and post-accident means major and minor insurance like that. Even during the accident, whatever the expenses you incur. So insurance is basically financial protection against some kind of uncertainty. So if you met with an accident, you are in house, you will be hospitalized. That expenses should be borne by the insurance company because all of a sudden it is difficult for a person to accumulate more funds. It can be to get the health cured or something else. Even after discharge from the hospital also you will have certain expenses like medicine purchasing, regular doctor visits that can be covered. Accidental illness and hospitalization, daycare procedure, psychiatric, annual health checkups, daily hospital cash. These are basic things which an insurance company can provide under health insurance category. So this cover can be extended to the following condition also. For ladies, it can be for veterinary benefits and then critical illness, organ donation also, and then alternative treatment. So the premium for the health insurance is charged on the basis of age, pre-existing illness, lifestyle habits, type of coverage, your family health history, all these things. Basically, age will be this the most factor, and health record. You must have a sound health record, then only you will get less premium. If you are already suffering from with existing illness or diseases, obviously the what premium will be charged as high. So health insurance is one of the hot cake. It is sold like anything nowadays. People of India and other countries also they have understood the significance of health insurance. So everyone is taking. We should have an insurance policy to meet the accidental illness or something because we do not know in this age of pandemic which virus, which illness you are going to suffer. It is one of the finest things because we can't bore all the expenses. Nowadays, total family is affected with the viruses. Once in a while, people are getting hospitalized. That is a different thing. But it is very crucial time. So people have understood the importance of health insurance. and they are taking more policies. Still, a major part of Indians are not aware of this. Basically, in the semi-urban areas and urban rural areas, neglected areas. So if you try to focus on those areas and explain them the benefits of the health insurance, definitely it will be a good business in terms of health. 78% of the Indian population is still, have not covered under insurance. That figure you must focus. 78% means it's not a joke. Only 22% of the people have got insured. The second non-life insurance is travel insurance. This is also one of the significant element. Travel insurance covers your financial liability, if any, when you travel within or beyond the Indian boundaries. Also, international travel insurance is also there. Domestic travel insurance is also there. Right? Hope you are understanding. Mr. Kushal, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The financial liability may arise due to medical or non-medical emergency also. While you travel, you may get sick or you may lose something. When you are getting sick means it is again a medical insurance while traveling. If not, non-medical emergency also. The duration of travel for one time can be 180 days maximum. The policy holder can take more than one trip in a year also, not a problem. Your travel insurance will cover loss of baggage. If you lost any baggage, that will be replaced. That cost will be replaced. Loss of passport, hijacking. It is one thing that is very important. When you hijack also, they will insuring. Medical emergencies, delayed flights, if you lost something, accidental deaths, personal accidents insurance will come here. Adventurous sports also there, then you can insurance these things. So this company particularly, Digit Travel Company, comes with worldwide support and special features like zero deductibles, smartphone enabled claim process. Actually, it is a very big process to get the claim settled, as we have discussed in the offline classes. Maturity claim and then pre-claims. Everything, when your policy is claimed, you have to go to the office and file everything, document everything, and then submit that bill after maturity. That is the biggest process. Now, in this day of digitalization, we even just with a click from the smartphone enabled claim process, if you just process from the online, your money will be directly credited to the account. That is the good part, rather than going physically and submitting all the documents. Methodical claim facilitation, all these things we will get. So travel insurance is also the best thing. You can, journey is always a risk one. Not only journey, majority of the things will be in risk. Especially when you travel, there is a chance that we may get accidents or any other things. So if you could insure yourself, then it is a good one. It will support to the family and even for others also. It won't cost much. General insurance policies won't cost much. Much things. Wait for a minute. I will be in touch. Where is it? Okay. Wait for a minute. So travel insurance is also one of the important. Third one is motor insurance. Everyone is purchasing two-wheelers nowadays. It is what two-wheelers? Four-wheelers also purchasing people. Two-wheeler is become cheap nowadays. Four-wheeler is a necessity nowadays. It's not even a comfort. So motor insurance is also important one. So types of protection. It is mandatory even. The RTA made it mandatory. Uh, Road transport authorities of different states, almost all the states. You cannot say that I don't want to insure my motor vehicle. It is not acceptable. Everyone has to pay it. So you can insure your cars, bikes, and any other motor vehicles, light motor vehicle, heavy motor vehicles. Okay. So what can be covered means tire protect cover when tires are burst while traveling. Zero depreciation cover, written invoice, engine and gearbox protection. If gearbox is damaged, engine is damaged, breakdown assistance. These part majority can be covered. Total motor vehicle insurance is different, especially if you want to insure to these uh, areas, these elements, then you can also pay the premium in a different way. Or if your vehicle is theft, if it is on fire and any natural calamities, the vehicle is lost, the company will pay you. In fact, it is required also because there is a chance it may occur any accident, if you met with any accident. So that is. Then property insurance, especially home insurance, any property. You build your home with your toil and hard-earned money. People, it's a dream for everyone to have a own independent house or any property. So everything you buy is a priceless possession by you, and hence it needs to be protected. So a home insurance policy protects your valuable and other assets also. It's a comprehensive package policy that covers all valuables. Particularly, this digit insurance company will give protection if any burglary or loss or damage of jewelry, fire and natural disasters, then the total amount will be paid you back so that you can have it some place. When it is the home met with a fire accident or some theft has happened already. So home insurance, people will also do it. Of course, not that much popular in India. Even it is popular also, it is commercialized. Will have insurance, property insurance for the commercial spaces. People will not go for home. It is lack of awareness. Uh, Only, but everyone cannot afford this. Good section, rich section of the people can afford it. So before creating awareness, you have to target which type of audience are required. Who is your targeted customers for home insurance? Then it will be a good one. Then commercial lines. The lines of insurance that affects the business operations in real terms are categorized under commercial lines insurance. It can be a property insurance, I said. Home is personal, property is professional or your business activities. Engineering terms, liability insurance, marine insurance, employee benefit insurance, ESI, PF, all these things, business interruption. So depending upon the type of occupation, risk exposure, and the money involved, the insurance could be different for each and every industry business. What type of occupation you are undertaking? What are your business operations? Is it a risky procedure or there is no risk associated with it? Highly volatile or not? Or no risk at all, it will go on simply like that. So depending on that, the insurance premiums will be there. For example, an insurance that is specific to the cement plant, if you take the cement plant versus for an IT company, the two cement company is there, IT company is there, totally different. The premium charged for a cement plant or cement factory will be higher than a showroom of air condition. The cement factory is exposed to high risk. Air conditioned room IT is something different, no risk at all. So therefore, insurance is completely based on the level of risk exposure. What is the risk capacity, in which risk environment you are operating the business. So a worker in the cement plant is more prone or susceptible to the injury than to the one who is working in a air conditioned showroom. Isn't it or not? The person who is working in a factory is highly risk. The health is hazardous also. What, Mr. Kushal?
Yes, I was saying yes, sir.
Yes, no, health hazardous things, all chemicals will be there. People who are working in manufacturing plants, their life is at risk. If something happens, the insurance company has to pay it because it is insured. A person who is working in an IT company is very simple. There is no that health risk is there. Simply he can work out unless it is a fire accident. So depending upon all these things, type of occupation, risk exposure, and the money involved, the different types of insurance can be provided. Of course, the mobile insurance, simple as it reads, as simple as that mobile insurance. A mobile insurance protects the phone from accidental damage under the mobile protection cover. Okay, so particularly the insurance company compensate for the repair of accidental screen damage of your phone, not volunteer damage of your phone screen, because you have injured something and you are damaging the screen. No, they will also know the how the screen is damaged, how the battery is not working. Depending on that, your insurance can be claimed. It should be an accidental screen damage. Something happened in an accident or you are thrown somewhere accidentally, randomly, not voluntarily. The buyers can have mobile insurance for both old and new phones also, not a problem. You can go and even insure for your old phone also. The mobile phone operators will give you that. Very affordable insurance protection for the most expensive phones. If suppose if your phone is very cheap, it will come under 5,000 and 2,000, not a problem. If you have purchased iPhone, it almost 1,50,000, then it must be have some insurance, because if you lost, it will be a damage, permanent damage for you. If you insure something with nominal amount, there is a chance, 95% chances are that if you prove that it is lost, then your phone will be replaced. For simple things, you don't need to insure again. If your mobile phone is cost worth rupees 2,000 and you are paying insurance of 500, then it is nonsense, no meaning at all. So many valuable, high priced mobiles are there, then definitely you have to go for insurance. Likewise, we have bicycle insurance also. Not just the cars and two-wheelers, even bicycles is also passionate. Few people nowadays, when people are aware about the health conscious, they become health conscious. No, even the bicycles will have lakhs of worth. If you go to Decathlon and see the bicycles, I have seen a bicycle worth rupees 1,80,000, 1,08,000. I don't know what is there in that bicycle. And people are purchasing it. In Hyderabad, I am telling, in my locality, Uppal. And one person came and purchased a bicycle with 1,08,000 rupees. So don't he expect that his bicycle should be insured? Yes, sports things also. What is the speciality in that bicycles? I do not understand. Do you have any idea? Basically, it looks. Huh?
I think just for comfort zone, just for show.
Have you visited any time the Decathlon?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you can call it a fashion or a change of lifestyle. Bicycle insurance is also sought for the people. So when you have purchased the bicycle with that much money, of course you need to protect it from the accidental damage, theft, and anything if you are hospital was also. So these are the major types of general insurance that you can see here. So health, travel, motor, marine, home, and commercial insurance. So these are major things. Of course, the other things is also there that you can elaborate. This is an important question, guys, for 15 marks in the external examination. So you need to explain at least what is health, what is travel insurance, who are eligible for that insurance, how the premium can be decided in case of health insurance, in case of travel insurance, or in case of personal accidental insurance. Why somebody has to take it? What is the advantage and what is the disadvantage? Everyone is having every policy is advantages only. But you with a minimal cost, we will get all these general insurance. Life insurance premiums are high, dear students, but whereas non-life insurance or general insurance policy premiums are less compared to that. You can buy even 1 lakh premium policies also in place of life insurance. But non-life is different. Personal accidental policy, you can even get for 15 rupees or 13 rupees. Pradhan Mantri personal accidental policy is also there. Garib Kalyan Yojana, some around 200 rupees, 300 rupees, Shramik Yojana. Even the government is providing that. Because people will work in a risky environment, if people are working in a manufacturing sector or other sectors, they must have some protection. It is mandated. So like that. So with a minimal amount, you can protect your life, protect your family also. So that matters. That is what I just wanted to say. And anything you have? Anything you want? Doubts you have?
No, sir.
No doubt?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys.